Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish your Emergent AI app on the Google Play Store. First, open the app that you generated on Emergent AI. Make sure everything is working the way you want. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a share button. Click on that button. A URL will appear. Copy that URL because we will need it in the next step. Next, open your browser and go to the website median.co. This platform allows you to convert your web app into a mobile app file that can be uploaded to the Play Store. Once the website loads, you will see a field where you can enter your website link. Paste the URL that you copied from Emergent AI into that field. After that, click on Build Your App. Now you will be asked to give your app a name. Enter the name you want to appear on the Play Store. Then click on Start Building My App. The system will now generate your mobile app package. This may take a few minutes. When the build process is complete, click on the Download button. On the left side, you will see options for AAB or APK. Choose AAB if you plan to publish on the Google Play Store, because this is the recommended format. After the file is downloaded, go to the Google Play console. Create a new app, fill in the store listing details, upload your AAB file, complete all required sections, and submit your app for review. Thanks for watching.